Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can reset or how to recover your forget password of Facebook. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So I will show you two process. So first process will work when you are using your Facebook but you don't know your Facebook password. So second process is that when you have log out your Facebook and you don't know your Facebook password. So in this video I will show you two process. So by that process you can easily recover your forget password of Facebook. So let's start video. So firstly you need to update your Facebook application. Firstly update your Facebook applications. So go to Play Store and update your Facebook applications. So after that open your Facebook applications and then you will see three lines on top right. Click on it and then you will see setting options. Click on it and here you will see account meta center. Click on it and then click on password and security and then click on change password because I want to recover password of my Facebook, that's why I will click on Facebook. So here you will see forgotten your password. Click on it and here you can see get a code to log in. So you will receive a code in this email and I will receive when I will click on it and then click on continue, then I will receive a code in my email. So here you can see it shows that enter the 8-digit code. So this code is sent to in my Gmail ID. So after entering the receiving code, then click on continue. And here it shows that create a new password. And here you will write new password. So after that it shows that log me out of Facebook everywhere else my account might be open. So if you want to log out your Facebook everywhere, then click on here and then click on next and you will see a email, then click on here and then you will see this was me, click on here. So in this way you can change or recover your Facebook password. So and I will show you the second method. And second process is that when you are not using your Facebook and you have log out your Facebook, so open your Facebook applications and here you will write your email ID. So after that you will see forgotten password, click on here and then choose your account and I will receive a 6-digit code, then I will put here. So after that click on continue. So in this way you can see my Facebook is login. So then follow the first process which I have told. So from that process you can easily change your Facebook password. So in this way you can change or recover your Facebook password which you have forget. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.